everybody, I have a quick unboxing for you, or a reveal, because I've already taken the ribbon out. This is my very first Chanel item. I didn't get it from the boutique, I got it from Saks. I put my little camellia here, and they put my receipt there. I think that is so smart, to keep the receipt right in the box. You'll never lose it. Here you go, my very first Chanel purchase. It's from Saks, and it is the classic CC earrings. I love them, love them. They just come out like this. The back, and it has a Chanel imprint there, so you know that they're authentic. Again, I got these from Saks. These are the little bit bigger ones. They didn't have the smaller ones, and I love them. Let me know if you want a review on this, or in-depth pictures of it. Later on, maybe tomorrow or so, I'm gonna have an unboxing of my first Chanel boutique item. I got 2 items today. I'm so excited, but I did want to show these. I got these at Saks. They're beautiful on. With Chanel. It's a little dusty. And again, they put my receipt there. I thought that was so smart. And I got my little camellia, my very first camellia. The Chanel there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Sorry I've been away for so long. As you all know, I do work in a hospital, so it's been a little bit crazy lately. And I will be back very soon with my unboxing of my Chanel purchases from the boutique. And just really quick show you right there. It's my bag with my goodies inside. I have 2 goodies to show, but for now we'll just, you know, show these little earrings. I love them. Thank you again for watching my video. Sorry it's so short, but we will definitely be back, and I have a lot of content for you guys. Just sneak peek right now. I have some stuff right there to do unboxings. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, thank you so much for bearing with me. Have a good one, guys.